Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, August 25th. This is David and I am looking at the S&P 500. It continues to be the main thing I want to watch because it captures a wide range of stocks and therefore gives me a sense of the psychology of the overall market and what direction we are likely heading in. And the Voodoo lines have been pretty good, right? Even though we topped out here at the end of July, just a little shy of the skyline, right? The more important levels in the area have been these snow lines, right? They are the most important levels in the area, the third most important of the Voodoo lines, but more important levels like the tree line are up here near 47.86, right? We've got a fire line down at 40.83, and which we'll visit next is probably going to be defined by the behavior between this 45.18 snow line and the 43.51 snow line. And we can see that after getting down to the 45.18 level and oscillating around it a little bit, we tested it from below and held, tested it from below and held, and that sent us down to the 43.52 level at the end of last week. Now, we initially bounced from a skyline in between before breaking it, right? Establishing resistance below the lower skyline before heading down, and that's very typical of price action. Now, we haven't broken the lower side yet. This index has needed to come up and revisit some of these levels and establish resistance. And we came back down today. This morning's early move when we were dealing with Powell's comments and the aftermath came and retested this 44.15 skyline from below, went back down. We tested again in the afternoon, and maybe we go a little bit above it here next week. But so long as we roughly stay below it, let's see if we can get below 43.52 and find resistance below, and that'll keep the focus on the downside. Meanwhile, if we do start to not only poke up above 44.15, but get support above, then there's potential if we can get above 44.54 as well, and that we revisit 45.18 and see if we get outside. Now, you may notice that that I haven't used these to say exactly what'll happen next, and we can't know. But the important aspect of these, because you could draw lines anywhere on the chart and say, well, gosh, if we're going higher, we have to get above, I don't know, 45.50, right? It's a rough round number, 4,600, pick a round number. But the reason we use these Voodoo lines is they are in the spot where a decision above or below is an important one, right? This established the level that we needed to stay below in order to head down, a level that price actually bumped into and found resistance at in order to head down, just like the 43.52 level did. So they are important levels. They do have this hierarchical relationship, which lets us view these roadmaps and understand where the important decision points of this market are. So I hope you found this useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.